Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Walleye populations change fast. Let's master this differential equation by finding the tangent slope and solving for the specific function. First, we find the slope at time 1 by plugging our values into the derivative formula. Since the rate equals w times e to the negative t, we get 736. Next, we use that slope to build a tangent line for our approximation. Because the second derivative is negative, our linear estimate will actually be an overestimate of the true population. Separate variables and integrate both sides. Using the initial condition of 2,000 walleye at year 1, solve for the constant to find the function. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps to stay accurate.